So here we have an Arduino Uno that is being used to drive a stepper motor that's capable of 180 ounce-inches of torque, so it's pretty good. The Arduino card is capable of about 4,000 steps per second or so, 4,000 cycles per second. My goal here was to be able to control the stepper with a potentiometer so that I could vary its speed over time depending on how fast I wanted my machinery that's going to be driven to turn. So I've got a 5,000 ohm potentiometer there, and in addition you can see there the Arduino card, and connected to the Arduino is the driver for the stepper motor. It's basically an advanced H bridge, and it's called an AMIS, A-M-I-S 30543 chip, and it can put out basically about 3 amps, and so at about I think about 3 volts or so, and so it's enough to drive this motor. This motor is rated at 2.8 amps at about 3 volts. So the power supply is a 5 amp 12 volt, so it's definitely able to provide enough power for this application. Yeah, so I'll just give you a little demonstration. Now I'm going to turn that potentiometer, and we should be able to see it change speed. There, it's slowing down a bit more, and here I'll just speed it up, speeding it up to its maximum speed now. I can even increase this speed further by changing the level of micro-stepping that it's making. So if I reduce the micro-stepping down so that there's less steps to make one full revolution, then I'm able to increase the speed. It's not quite as smooth though at the higher speed, and in my application I really don't need it or want it turning very quickly, as I'm going to be using this to drive a weld positioner. So depending on the sprocket diameters that I'm driving the positioner chuck with, we may want it fairly slow. So there we can see it's slowing right down. You can basically reduce it to a movement that's barely perceivable. So there we are. So a nice little project for the Arduino card, and hopefully we'll be able to do some more interesting things with these neat little electronics platforms that are designed for people who don't have a lot of electronics expertise, but who are able to follow instructions fairly well. So, hope you've enjoyed this video. Thanks for your interest. Signing off.